Hey guys, welcome back. So today is a little bit of a departure from what I've been doing up until now, which is going through all the Shopify stuff. As we were going through and looking at different inspirations, you saw that Teespring was one of them. Now, I do want to go a little bit deeper into Teespring. It's not Shopify, and the products are not sold on Shopify. They're sold through Teespring. So, I'm going to tell you a little bit about how Teespring works. I've never actually sold anything on it, so I'm dedicating one single video today to go through Teespring because I have designs that I paid to be designed a long time ago and never actually used. So let's go through. I'm going to put them on some mugs, maybe some t-shirts on Teespring. Never set this up before, so you guys are going to come with me. Basically, how Teespring works is, let's actually go to the How It Works page because we're going to figure all this out together. So a no-risk turnkey solution. So basically that means you load up your designs, they take care of production and distribution for you. I believe they also take care of so production, fulfillment, and customer service. Okay, so that must mean that they also take care of returns and exchanges as well. Okay, loving this. Chances are they probably take a high percentage, which is fine because if we're completely hands off and really just sitting back and watching the money come in, then that's fair. I mean, it's fair that they take that high of a percentage for sure. So let's go in. I made an account already, but that's going to be your first step. Is up in the right hand corner, you'll have the opportunity to make an account. So I made an account before this video just so I could get in and get some of the initial setup just for the account stuff done. I'm sure you guys have made accounts for stuff before, so I don't think there's much need to go through that. But let's start exploring. Okay, how does it work? Create a product using the Teespring launcher. Hit start design. Boost sales, fulfill order, customer service, collect your profits. Okay, sounds great. Pricing. So Teespring's free to use. I suspect they take a percentage. Okay, let's check these out. So t-shirt, I wonder if you set the sale price. Well, we'll figure this out as we go. So you got t-shirt, the base cost for production, and then your profit. Okay, that's fair. And then some resources for training. We're not going to go through the resources. We're just going to dive right in. We're just going to figure this out and dive right in. Don't need that. So let's start designing. So like I said, I do have some designs already because I had some mocked up from a previous project, but I never actually got to use them. So I do think they're like pretty adorable designs and they're very holiday focused. So let's try to get ahead of the holiday game, throw some hoodies up on Teespring and jump right in. So what do we want to start with? Let's go with Conscious Collection. Oh, kind of like this. Base cost. Okay. So these hoodies are probably go for a bit more. I'm guessing they'll probably go for close to $50 because they're made with more conscious materials, organic cotton. I like that. Ships from the US. Okay, we like that too because one of the biggest concerns that we have about any kind of drop shipping, and ultimately this is sort of like a drop shipping / print on demand, is that if it's coming from China or if it's coming from overseas, the wait time is going to be a lot. But these guys ship from the US, so is it just that one? Let's see if some other products ship from the US. The long sleeve. Okay, so that ships from the US as well too. Let's check out zip hoodies. Okay, so with zip hoodies, you can't really have anything on the front. That's the only thing. But you can have something on the back. Okay, I actually like that. Okay, let's do zip hoodies. We'll do one zip hoodie. We won't do anything on the front, but we are going to do something on the back. So as soon as I selected an item, it brought me straight into the design, which is great. So let's choose, what other colors do we have? Okay. Got like a light gray. The green one might work because it is a little bit sort of holiday focused. There's red in my design, so I'm not entirely sure about that one. Let's see here. That one might not show up. I'll show you guys the design as soon as I upload it as well. So we've got black, gray, and green. Those are only fulfilled in the US. Okay. So add an image. I'm going to upload a few images here. So I'm not sure if you saw that, but it pulled it up straight from my computer. Oh, I uploaded 3 and it uploaded all of them. So it's not really what we want. If I delete. All right, let's try that again. So I'm just going to upload one. Okay, awesome. So the design I had made was called, it was for like kind of a mock brand. It was for sort of a project that never actually came to light, but it was a cute idea called Enlightened Misfit. And basically I had these sort of Rudolph, I guess because he has a red nose, it would be Rudolph. So these Rudolph reindeers in different yoga poses. And I really liked this kind of like sly smile that he had. So that was really cute. I'd like to see how it looks on the gray. Oh, here we go. Okay, cute. I'd like to see it on white. That wasn't an option though. So we're just gonna move forward with these. We can probably make more as well. So let's check that out. And on the green, oh, it looks nice on the green because it's very Christmassy. Okay, I like that. All right, preview. Cute, I really like this. Okay. Let's check out our settings on the left-hand side. So we've selected the image, we've got product colors, select first image buyers see. I like that as the first image. Let's see these ones, actually. No, I like the green one as the first. Cool. Select your price. So it does give you a default price, $45.99. I feel like this is a very typical price for a hoodie, so I'm okay with that. Let's stick with their defaults for now. Price for products fulfilled in the US. So, and that gives us $19 profit. That's about 40 some odd percent profit, which is still good. Okay, this looks good as well. Same proportions, a little bit less profit, but that's fine. Let's continue here. Okay, so now it places you on a few different pieces of clothing. Okay, so we want to choose what we're going to sell. Definitely want to go with the hoodie. All right, okay, and then we can do, let's select all styles, and then we'll sort of unselect the ones that we don't want. Okay, I don't mind these. What this one is. All over print? No, I think we're good there. Women's slouchy sweatshirt, sure. Classic crew neck, classic pullover. Yeah, we like these. What happens when I go to edit something? So unisex zip. That was the first one, and it gives us the same editing capacity. Okay. All over print shirt. Oh my god, this is actually really funny. Sure, we'll include it as well. God, cute. Okay. Great, so it looks like it pre-selects a few different styles. What are these ones? Leggings, pet hoodie. Oh my god, cute. Okay, sure. Oh, I don't mind the socks either. Okay. I don't like the leggings. Let's get rid of those. Lunches. Okay, the socks. Okay, I don't mind the socks. I don't know why I don't love the tote bags, so we're not going to do that. I don't love the leggings. Okay, great. So we can just select which ones show. Okay, oh, so now I have to create our listing. Okay, great. I also wonder if that's too many products. You know what? Let's go back here and let's really scale it down. Like, these are kind of wintry products, so let's take out ones like the tank tops. Sweaters, kids and babies, okay. Long sleeve tees, hoodies and sweater. Okay, let's see these styles here. Classic pullover, premium pullover. Let's get rid of that one. It's kind of weird. I don't love that style. Let's kind of limit it down to some hoodies. Yeah, there we go. T-shirts. Not sell t-shirts for now. Let's just stick to hoodies. I like the pet ones. We'll keep that. Just collection. Let's just keep the hoodie from this one. Okay, great. I also don't think we need two styles of socks, so let's go back here. Okay. This one ships from both, so okay, that's fine. Great. Okay, great. So we have a small selection of products. So first time piracy, description, express your inner enlightened Rudolph. Maybe I'll put reindeer. I don't know if there's like copyright issues with me using the word Rudolph, so I'm gonna go with reindeer just to be safe. There's my reindeer this holiday season. Okay, cute. I like it. These. I'm gonna take out the holiday part just in case I want to change up different items here. Visibility, public, and then that's it. I think we just publish the list. Cool. Okay, let's do this. Generating product images, saving, preparing your listing. With what better serve you? I guess content creator. Creating links, engage followers. Twitter, I would think. Thanks for input. Awesome. Cool. All right. Take you for a test drive. Order sample. Wearing and promoting the creation. Okay. So you guys, this was really straightforward. So we can go through and select. Oh my god, this sucks. So funny. I'm kind of loving this though. It's not bad. Pet hoodie. Okay. Cute. I'm wondering if we should have the black one as the first view. I like the green one though. Let's leave the green one for now. We'll test it out if we need to. Awesome. Okay, well, this shows the listing. The listing's live. Great. Well, I think that's it for. Oh, so you get to order some at cost. Okay, I'm gonna order some stuff just so I can see the quality, and I will update you guys with the quality of this. I do like the deep forest one. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna check out these samples. I will update you guys with these samples as soon as I get them in. I'll tell you a little bit about the quality, and cool, we'll go from there. Anyways, the listing is live and it was super easy to set up. So let me know in the comments if you guys have any Teespring stores yourself, or if you've seen other cool designs. I would love to check them out. Okay, thanks.